Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best night cream is probably one of the most crucial steps in any skincare routine, especially if you're aiming for that coveted Korean glass skin. These creams work their magic while you sleep, delivering intense hydration and nourishment to your skin. From combating dryness to reducing the appearance of fine lines, the right night cream can transform your complexion overnight, leaving you with a radiant and youthful glow. Number 5. SeoulCeuticals Snail Mucin Moisturizer Cream. This moisturizer boasts a 97.5% concentration of snail mucin filtrate, making it far more effective than other creams. Unlike other products, this potent formula delivers superior results. We promise you'll start to see healthier, more youthful skin within days. This K-beauty product is designed to transform your skin quickly and effectively. The snail mucin is ethically harvested in a cruelty-free environment. The snails live and move organically, just as they would in nature. This formula contains 72% organic and 97% naturally derived ingredients. It also includes shea butter, organic aloe, jojoba, and vitamin E for exceptional results. This snail cream is non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. It's packed with super nutrients, guaranteeing a youthful, glass skin complexion. What we like? This cream boasts an impressive 97.5% snail mucin concentration, making it incredibly potent. It's also non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. If you're looking for a powerful, effective snail cream that delivers visible results and is ethically sourced, this is the one for you. What people say. My skin felt so soft, it gave me that dewy effect without feeling greasy. It feels good on my skin and seems to hydrate my very dry skin. It is wonderfully hydrating, soothing, and gentle, and after a few weeks I've already noticed that it makes the appearance of fine facial lines less noticeable. Number 4. MIZON Snail Repair Cream, Hydrating and Nourishing Moisturizer. This is a lightweight, fast-absorbing moisturizer. It deeply hydrates and revitalizes dull or stressed skin without feeling sticky. It's perfect for daily use. The creamy formula is non-greasy. It replenishes and hydrates your skin. You'll love how it feels. It contains 40,000 ppm snail mucin. This helps support your skin's natural repair process. It also reduces blemishes and smooths fine lines. It includes 12 natural extracts like Centella asiatica and raspberry. These soothe, hydrate, and restore your skin's moisture balance. This is a great product. It improves skin texture and fades scars. It also enhances elasticity and creates a moisture-locking barrier. Use it daily for a healthier complexion. Suitable for all skin types. It provides nourishment and soothing care. It leaves you with a more radiant-looking complexion. What we like? This moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly, perfect for those who dislike heavy creams. It's packed with natural extracts to soothe and hydrate your skin. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a cream that won't leave a greasy residue, this is a great choice. What people say. It absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling refreshed and soothed. It has helped to relieve redness and irritation on my face and to reduce the appearance of fine lines on my hands as well. It has cleared up almost all the milia under my eyes and my blackheads. Number 3. 8 Saints Up the Anti-Night Cream. Are you ready to wake up with radiant skin? This night cream works while you sleep to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps keep your skin plump, fresh, hydrated, and smooth. This cream is packed with natural and organic ingredients. It's designed for all skin types. You'll love how it makes you look and feel. The formula includes protein peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients are key to achieving vibrant, smooth, and hydrated skin. The product is also cruelty-free and fragrance-free. 8 Saints focuses on effective skincare. This cream is made in Maine, USA, with globally sourced ingredients. You can trust that it delivers real results. Apply this night cream liberally to your face and neck. It can also be used as a neck cream to help tighten and firm both areas. It's a simple step for a more youthful appearance. We offer a 30-day return policy. If the product doesn't work for you, contact us for a refund. We want you to be completely satisfied with it. What we like? This night cream is designed to reduce fine lines and wrinkles while you sleep. It's packed with natural and organic ingredients, including hyaluronic acid. If you're looking to combat the signs of aging and want a product with clean ingredients, you should consider this. What people say. My skin, which tends to get dry, especially in winter, feels incredibly moisturized without any greasy residue. After 2 weeks, I noticed my fine lines, particularly around my eyes, are less noticeable, and my skin doesn't feel tight or dry anymore. It's a great nighttime moisturizer, but also because it is lightweight enough, it makes for an excellent day cream, particularly if you have dry skin. Number 2. Azure Cosmetics Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer. This face cream is designed for long-lasting hydration, helping to smooth and rejuvenate your skin throughout the day. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, leaving your skin revitalized and radiant. The formula includes collagen and hyaluronic acid, known for their anti-aging benefits. Aloe vera and shea butter keep the skin moisturized, making it plump and glowing. Start by cleansing and exfoliating your face. Then, apply this moisturizer daily to your face and neck. It's also a great follow-up to the Azure peel-off masks. We care about what you put on your skin. That's why this product is made with clean, natural, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients. It contains no parabens, phthalates, or GMOs. We stand behind every product. If it doesn't meet your expectations, reach out to us, and we'll make it right, no questions asked. What we like. This cream provides all-day moisturizing and boasts anti-aging properties. It's formulated with clean, natural, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients. If you're looking for a hydrating cream that also addresses fine lines and wrinkles, this is a great option. What people say. It's not heavy on face and it absorbs wonderfully. It has helped with wrinkles and keeping my skin soft. This cream works really well with rebuilding the skin barrier. It's lightweight but thick at the same time, and it leaves my skin feeling smooth and bouncy. Number 1. SeoulCeuticals Snail Mucin Serum. Introducing a serum designed for radiant skin. This potent serum contains a high concentration of snail mucin, hyaluronic acid, and organic Centella asiatica. It's designed to give you a supple, dewy glow. This anti-wrinkle serum promises to rejuvenate and replenish your skin. It helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles, even skin tone, and hydrate dry skin. You'll love the results. Our Korean skincare serum is ethically harvested in a cruelty-free environment. The snails roam naturally, and their well-being is a priority. We care about the process. The serum is 98% naturally derived and 72% organic. It's water-based and non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. It includes organic aloe, vitamin C, vitamin E, and jojoba oil to nourish your skin. Experience noticeable results within days with this lightweight, fragrance-free serum. It works while you sleep, improving cell turnover and stimulating collagen production. Wake up with a radiant glow. What we like. This serum contains a high concentration of snail mucin and is designed to target wrinkles. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, working while you sleep. If you want a potent, fast-acting serum to rejuvenate your skin, you should consider this. What people say. It absorbs nicely and leaves no residue. It leaves my skin feeling and looking moisturized, but the product does not sit on top of my face at all. It provides great moisture to my skin. It has made a difference to my face, it's plumper and fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.